Hey everyone, welcome to Prosperous Life Finance, where I help educate you in becoming a better trader and investor. So in this video, we are going to be taking a look at Workhorse stock. Before we start, I would love for all of you guys to be part of the Prosperous Life family, where we are all a community of traders and investors that help each other out in order to create consistently profitable trades. So be sure you like and subscribe to this video to join the family. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We are on the front page of the Workhorse company website. Here we see two C-Series vehicles, which include the C650 and the C1000. As we go down here, we see more information about all of these vans and a description of how the company operates. As you can see, it says that they are the future of delivery. Both the C650 and the C1000 vans set a new standard in design and efficiency for the last mile delivery segment. So essentially, the last mile delivery is a term that's used for the last part of the shipment process, which means getting the product to the final stage of delivery as quickly as possible while minimizing expenses. They are 100% electric, and it is how the Workhorse C-Series vehicles are powered by a modular battery pack system, which provides between 35 kilowatt hours when equipped with 2 battery packs and 70 kilowatt hours in its standard 4-pack configuration. These vans have a low floor design, which shows how the entire vehicle allows easy in and out access for the driver, and this feature also increases the usable volume for packages in the cargo area. Lastly, Workhorse does have a proprietary telematics system that was developed. And essentially, this is a multi-platform application that allows you to track and monitor the performance of all Workhorse vehicles in your fleet, and also collect the data that you need to optimize route planning and monitor maintenance and fuel costs throughout the life of your vehicles. Scrolling down here, we have multiple specifications of the C-Series vehicles. As you can see here, you have a side-by-side comparison of the C1000 model and the C650 model. You have different specifications, which include things such as the motor, the volume, and many more in order for you to compare these trucks and their specifications. So let's actually start going up here to the investor section to get more information about this company. So once we are in this section, you have multiple tabs that include general information, investor call, investor updates, SEC filings, press releases, and contact. So here we have opened up an investor presentation, which comes directly from the Workhorse website. As we scroll down here, we see how it says that Workhorse is changing the way the world works. The great thing is that they have a proven track record with nearly 400 vehicles on the road and over 5+ million miles driven in real life duty cycles and climates. So here we have a description of Workhorse's fully electric last mile delivery platform. So as you can see, they have the last mile delivery vehicle, which is a fully electric and ISO certified C-Series delivery vehicle, which is developed with UPS to meet their requirements. Once again, they also have cloud-based, data-driven proof of performance systems. Another product that they also have is a delivery drone, which is a proprietary unmanned aerial system that is designed for the package delivery market. So here on the infrastructure and leasing section, we see that in partnership with Duke Energy, they have single point management and financing of all behind the meter infrastructure to support depot-wide electrification and financing for vehicle and batteries. And a very impressive thing is that they are the only US-based electric OEM selected to develop the United States Postal Service next generation delivery vehicle and complete prototype testing. So this is a major plus for this company due to the fact that USPS is a very large company as well. So here are a few investment highlights that are notable for Workhorse. As you can see here, it says that they are a market leader, first mover, and only US pure play OEM in medium duty electrification for last mile delivery, and about an 18 billion delivery and cargo van market with significant electric vehicle demand. As you can see here, they are in a market that has lots of growth within the upcoming years and is only going to grow as many companies are competing for the race of the electric vehicle market. As you can see, they have technology validation from blue chip customers and partners. So what a blue chip customer is essentially a company that has a large market capitalization, which means that they are worth lots of money. As you can see, some of these companies are large names such as UPS, DHL, FedEx, and Ryder. They have proprietary platform technologies that are leveraged across vehicle portfolio, supported by over 7 granted and 4 pending patents. They highlight the near-term growth opportunities from the USPS NGDV program, which actually represents a 6.3 billion 165,000 vehicle opportunity, and partnership with another company for the development of an all-new fully electric pickup truck. And lastly, they have scalable manufacturing within their plant in Indiana, which will lead them to profitability. So these investment highlights are definitely worth noting. On this slide, we see how Workhorse is transforming the last mile delivery with a breakdown of the next generation C-Series vans, the Workhorse Metron telematics, and also their next generation Horsefly UAV delivery drone. When it comes to any business, I think one of the most important things is the actual market opportunity for these companies. The market opportunity highlights the potential for future company growth, and as you can see, the last mile delivery represents an over $18 billion annual market opportunity. Here they give some few key metrics, which shows how there are over 350,000 vehicles purchased by US fleets annually, the $50,000 ASP for last mile delivery vehicles, and once again an over $18 billion annual addressable market. So here we're looking at why customers are choosing Workhorse. So on the left, it says how their solution is green and cost effective. And I think this is a very important thing to consider due to the fact that many companies are looking for ways to minimize cost and actually increase efficiency throughout the board. At the very top, it shows how 40 mpge fuel efficiency for C series versus a 6 mpg for UPS. They also have a reduced operating cost from about $1 a mile to about 36 cents a mile. And also obviously the reduced maintenance cost moving to electric. So this is an analysis that shows the total cost of ownership. As you can see, in a 20-year time period, you are saving over $170,000. So one major partnership to take note of is the partnership that they have with UPS. As you can see here, they have 6 orders placed to date, which total over 1,345 vehicles, and they have over 5+ million miles driven by Workhorse vehicles. So here on the left, you actually have a timeline of how this relationship formed over the years and how it keeps increasing throughout the years as well. So here are some notable partners and suppliers for Workhorse, which includes large companies such as Duke Energy and Ryder. They also have an outline of their world-class manufacturing and also give their details on the expected overall growth. This slide highlights how they have a growth opportunity with USPS next generation delivery vehicle, and it shows how they have a 165,000 vehicle, $6.3 billion USPS contract opportunity. And here we have a slide which also highlights their partnership with Lordstown Motors. Now this company will actually license and manufacture the electric pickup trucks utilizing the W15 technology, and here we have a few highlights of the partnership. One of the most important things to also know is who is the actual management when it comes to this company. As you can see, the CEO, Dwayne Hughes, that has over 20 years of experience and has direct business relationships in the automotive, advertising, and technology segments. You have the COO, Robert Wilson, who actually previously held senior management positions at Hughes Aircraft and Texas Instruments. Each of the bullet points highlights their experience and also their background and education. Now, one thing you should always do before evaluating any company is looking at things such as the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. And one thing to actually know is that Workhorse does not have the most attractive income statement due to the fact that during the previous years they have been focused on growth and investing in the company. Now, the thing about these technology companies that focus on electric vehicles and other technology sectors is due to the fact that in the early years it is very hard to become profitable since they are very focused on expanding the company and investing back into the business. So once again, these are all numbers to look at before investing in this company. So now let's go ahead and look at some technical analysis. Here on the screen, you're looking at the TD Ameritrade Think or Swim trading platform. Now here I have the Workhorse stock, and we are currently looking at a 10-day chart. So as you can see, within the past 10 days, the stock was trading around $7 and it tripled in less than 2 weeks to a high of $22.09. So this was a very quick and large run up in a very short amount of time. Now, whenever you're performing technical analysis, one thing that I highly recommend is to actually look at different time frames in order to evaluate the stock to its full potential. So down here we have indicators which include volume, the MACD, and the RSI. The MACD actually helps us establish entry and exit points, and the RSI gives us an idea if the stock is currently overvalued or undervalued. Now currently the RSI is not showing us that this stock is overvalued at all, and the MACD just actually had a previous sell signal not too long ago. So one thing to note is that you should never fully base your investment decision based off of these trading indicators. So if we look at a 5-day chart, we do see how the price has come down a bit from $22.09 all the way down to around $16. Now even with this chart, the RSI is actually entering undervalued territory, and the MACD is actually forming in order for a buying point. So once again, Workhorse is a stock to look at within the near future, as many indicators are showing potential entry points. Always remember before investing in any stock that you have to perform your own due diligence and extensive research due to the fact that many things can change very quickly. But once again, this was a technical look at Workhorse stock. So aside from the financials of this company, I do think that this company does have lots of potential to increase, grow, and expand within the near future. My optimism actually comes from the partnership and relationships that they have established with large blue chip companies, and the electric vehicle market and the transportation segment is actually growing very quickly, and I think Workhorse is a company to look out after as a potential investment. Now once again, be sure to do your own proper research and analysis when it comes to investing in any company, especially with a company that doesn't have currently good looking financials but still have an opportunity for lots of growth in the future. So if you guys learned some new things and actually got some very valuable information, go ahead and like the video. Once again, I would like for you guys to join the Prosperous Life family by subscribing, and I want to know what you guys think about this company down in the comments below. Let me know if you actually own Workhorse stock, if you plan on buying it, or just your overall opinion on this company. Once again, be sure to subscribe to join the family. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all, and I will see you all in the next video.